Hey, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I bought the Physicians Formula times Casey Holmes butter collection. I really wanted to buy it when it first came out, so I went on the website and it was only available on their website, I believe. Anyways, I'm in Canada, so it ended up being double the price with shipping and everything. I think even more than double the price, so I didn't buy it. But I saw it in Shoppers when I went shopping yesterday. Shopping in Shoppers. This is what is all over my face. Casey Holmes is also one of my absolute favorite YouTubers. She's so sweet. I'm so happy for her and Davis. They just had their baby. I'm talking about her like I know her, but I have been watching her. I believe she was either the first or the second YouTuber I've ever watched, and I would just binge watch her videos nonstop. So before we hop on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, be sure to like this video if you enjoy it, and if you'd like to know my first impressions and what I think about all of the products, then please just keep watching. Okay. Time to play with the palette. I'm so freaking excited. So here is what the cover looks like. It's holographic, super cool, and this is what the inside looks like. So you've got her picture on there with some tutorials and a little message she wrote, and then you have all the products. It also comes with a plastic cover on top, so all of your products are going to be protected when you buy them. Actually, I think, oh yeah, this is actually attached, the plastic cover, so it's just a flip up. I haven't watched any other videos on this other than her video, and she made that a while ago, so I don't really remember everything that was said, but I'm pretty sure this is just a flip up. I feel like that's the only thing that would annoy me, because I would have to hold it up. I'm dying to smell this perfume. I saved smelling it so you guys can get my first impressions on the scent. This is called Butter Paradise. Oh my gosh. This reminds me of something. Oh, yum. It smells like a tropical dream. It totally reminds me of something. I just can't think of what. Okay, so it looks like the lipstick, the eyeshadows, and the highlighter are all limited edition. So you can probably still buy the bronzer and the blush separately from this palette. Since I have my base on, my foundation and concealer, I'm going to start off with all of the face products. So I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer. It's in the shade Deep. I haven't tried this shade yet. I've just tried their original one. So I'm going to pick it up on my Hoola Benefit brush. Oh my gosh, now I smell delicious. That perfume smells so good. And it doesn't say it's limited edition, so I'm pretty sure you can buy that separately, which I will probably need to do now. So I already know that I like this bronzer. It's so smooth. I just haven't tried this shade yet. And I am loving the shade. I really like these deep, warm bronzers, especially in the summertime. I still don't have a tan, so I need it. I used to tan so easily. I would literally walk outside for an hour and be so tanned. And now that I've gotten older, I just can't seem to get a tan. But it's okay. That's what we have bronzer for. I love this bronzer because it's not patchy at all. And when I'm using a deeper shade like this for my skin tone, if it gets patchy, it's a nightmare because it's super noticeable. So I'm really happy that this blends out easily. Okay, I guess I wasn't recording when I was doing the blush, so I don't remember where I left off. But anyways, if I wasn't recording the whole time about the blush, then picked up the Copacabana Butter Blush. I already applied it. I really liked it. It was super smooth. I really love their butter products because they literally feel like butter. They just glide on. So easy to work with. I love the warm tone shade of this blush. It goes perfectly with the bronzer. Okay, now for the highlight. This is the Just Beachy Butter Highlighter. It looks really glittery. So, okay, yeah, it's a really glittery highlighter. I'm just gonna blend it out a bit because I had, ooh, it's really pretty though. I just saw it in the viewfinder. I just remember this CoverGirl highlighter I used before, and it was really glittery at the surface, but once I blended it out more, it kind of dim down. So I'm gonna try that with this highlighter before I get too judgy. Yeah, I think I can, yeah, it's fine. It's pretty. You just want it to be less glittery. Just flick off the glitters and really blend it in. Ooh, that's pretty. Once I blend it in, it's not glittery whatsoever. Hey guys, I'm so happy with the face products. This is actually really fun for me because I've never tried, I don't think I've tried any other Physicians Formula products besides their butter bronzer. I'm getting to try a lot today. These are my kind of shades. Moving on to the eyes. This plastic is annoying me. I'm first gonna take the butter bronzer actually for my crease so I can have a transition shade that's a little bit less red than these ones. I'm gonna pick it up on a big fluffy crease brush. This is the Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending Brush. I just got it in my BoxyCharm. I can't get over how delicious I smell right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop this into my crease. So pretty. I'm gonna play with the more red brown shades. I'm not gonna touch the green today. This is also gonna go on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to pick up the shade No Filter right here. If they're anything like the butter bronzer, they're gonna glide on so easy. Woohoo! This is pretty. This video is going super well. These all blend out so nicely. That took way less time than it usually takes for me to blend out my eyeshadow. I'm also working the shade onto my outer corner. Okay, I don't think you guys understand how easy this is to blend. This is actually taking me like 10 seconds. Also taking the shade on the outer part of my lower lash line. Now picking up the shade Do Not Disturb. It's the cream shade on my Sigma Eye Shading E55. I'm gonna put this on to my lid. Ooh, this shade actually really pops for a cream shade. I'm just gonna press down with my finger just so the edges aren't harsh. I think I'm gonna have to go buy more Physicians Formula eyeshadows. Grabbing No Filter again, I'm gonna add some more to my outer crease. I mean my outer corner. I always have been saying outer crease lately when I mean outer corner. I'm in awe of how easily these blend. I barely touch that. On a shader brush, I'm gonna grab the shade Tropic Like It's Hot, and I'm gonna make a little smoked out wing with this shade. Ooh, so pretty. I wasn't expecting to love the eyeshadows the most out of this palette, but so far I think the eyeshadows are my favorite, but also that perfume smells delicious. I'm not gonna make it too noticeable. I'm just gonna kind of add it here. Look it out still on the eyeshadow. And then just to make sure nothing's cut off, I'm gonna add that shade right here on the under part of my lower lash line and just connect it. And I'm gonna have to put that highlighter on my inner corners, of course. A little shine. Now for the lipstick. This is in the shade Pop the Bubbly. It looks like a really pretty summery shade, so let's see how it looks. Ooh. I wasn't expecting it to be that color. Okay, I felt like I needed a lipstick on. I also finished off my eyes, put on some lashes and whatnot. The lip shade isn't really a color I tend to go for, so I'm going to put on a nude first and just add a little bit of that on top. So I used the NYX matte lip liner in the shade Dainty Days, and then the Maybelline Superstay matte ink in the shade Driver. I'll just take the lip product again. I don't know what to call this. It's kind of like a sheer lipstick balm type of thing. I'm just gonna add a little bit of it. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that much better. Okay, well, that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun playing with this palette. I really wanted it, so I'm really happy I have it in my life now. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!